Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to set date and time on Redmi A5. To do this, you have just to go to settings and after that scroll down until you find system, click on it. And after that, go to the option called date and time. And as you can see, you put like the time and date to be automatically, but you can put it also manually by like turning off set time automatically and choose the date and also choose the time that you want. And also like you can move like with the time zone and everything. And also, like I said, it's better to put it automatically like this, so everything will be automatic and will be right for you. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.